Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable LED flashlight notifications on your iPhone. So you're going to open settings and you are going to scroll until you find accessibility. Select it and you are going to again scroll down until you find audio and visual under hearing. Then you are going to scroll down and then under visual you are just going to enable LED flash for alerts, and what it's going to do, it's going to, so like when you get notifications, your flash will like turn on for like a few seconds to notify you that there is like a notification. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!